Hi guys, hope all you are fine. Stay healthy. Today we have got Samsung A20. My user experience after 3 months. So let's check the phone. The phone was very quite well. I'll just unlock it. My user experience was quite awesome. It is 3 GB and 32 GB variant. As you can see, it's a Super AMOLED display, which is very good. As Samsung provided in a budget series, it is very good. And we can see Infinite V display. It also has dual camera setup in a budget range. It is a very good. As we can see, there is no setups in a budget series. There is only one camera we can see in Samsung. It's a 3 and 32 GB variant. Knox processor, octa-core processor. In this box I have got one fast charger. As you can see, it is Samsung. It is a fast charger, and one type C cable, which is of very good quality, and one earphones I have get included in the box, and one maintain normal quality tempered glass that I have changed recently because I have some user experience. And the phone is quite well. It has very good camera decency. The camera is also very good when you go for video, or we can go for and if the front camera is quite well. As you can see, it has very good camera clarity. We can take this a pic of this box. I can see, as we can see, the image stabilization is very good, and the blurring process, I can see the sharp turns and sharp cones. It is capturing very well. I was not expecting that in a budget series, but Samsung has done a quite well job. As you can see, the front camera, the phone supports Knox processor, octa-core. In this you can see power mode, location, voice password, and also the main feature of this phone is the blue light filter. As you know that this gadgets emits the blue light radiation, so to come in a reading mode or to optimize our eye, we can use blue light filter. Just we can activate by clicking on this. Now you can see the screen has turned into some yellow color screen, which protects the eyes. Okay, and you can see this sky. Sorry, my friend is calling me. Sorry for the interruption. But the quality is very good, guys. As we can see, the overall build quality, and in back there is one fingerprint sensor, which is also quite well. Hope you can see this. The fingerprint sensor working is also very fine. It will just unlock in only few microseconds. As you can see, there is one flash also, which works very good in low light conditions. And we can see here, a headphone jack, USB type C cable, and we can see one micro. We can see this. As you can see here also, this is not a IR sensor. And overall, the shape of the phone is also very good. It has some curves. In this we have the most efficient Samsung has built for the budget series, is that it has 2 SIM slots. We can use 2 SIMs at a time. That is the main highlight of this phone. Since I do not recommend this for the young generations, I will recommend this phone for the people who are just come from that old keypad phones to has just moved to a smartphones. I will recommend them to use this, so that they can just easy hand for them to use it. As they can see, then they can upcome the features of their phone, Android or smartphone. I just recommend this. As you can see, the working of phone is quite well. It is very easy. It is very good in using it. As you can see, my storage is full. I have used plenty of apps, just like IMO. I have used for gaming purpose. The gaming was quite well. The processor is also stabilized. As you can see, it has also a SL feature in it. I'll just enable it, because as you can see, this in a S5, but it is not quite well working in this. As you can see, of Microsoft Office, OneDrive feature. Again in this, I have used plenty of apps like Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, every digital app that is just playing a good role while maintaining it, and the phone doesn't lag. For a moderate user use, it is very good for using it. Quite for a few, and the phone doesn't have heating issues, and as it contains the fast charger, the phone just charge in few minutes. Quite in 1 hour it charge up to 45 80 minutes. Okay friends, do comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.